The first thing you're going to do is take the protective cover off the AirTag itself. This engages the battery. Be sure that your Bluetooth is on. Then place it next to your phone. You'll then see the spinning AirTag, and you'll see the connect button below. Press that. You then have a chance to name the AirTag. There's a few set names here. I'm going to use keys, but there's also a custom name at the bottom if you'd like. Next, it's going to register the AirTag to your Apple ID. You'll see all the information there. Hit continue. Once you hear that sound, it's done setting up. You can set it to notify you when you leave it behind. You can have it play a sound if you lost it in, like, a couch or something like that. Or you can tell Siri to say, "Hey Siri, where are my keys?" You can open it up in the app. It'll show you on the map where your keys are or whatever item you have it tied to. And mine say "the keys are with me now," and it has the address below. And if you want to play a sound so that you can find your keys, you click on the keys here, then hit play sound. It'll do that 3 times and turn off. Then the one thing I recommend is getting yourself a little protective case like this. These ones are made out of like stretchy silicone, and they protect the AirTag pretty well. If you're interested in picking up the AirTags or any of these holders, I'll leave a link for those in the description below. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to check out all my other videos if you're interested. We'll see you in the next one.